Good morning, Jain everyone. This is Abhishek Kumar Tiwari, Sunbeam School, Gazipur. Today, I will taking the lecture of league fixture procedure. League fixture or the round robin or the burger. This is a three similar name is there. So beta, don't be confused of the three names: league, round robin, or burger system. This is a three similar name of the league fixture. Clear? Then procedure of fixture in league tournament. When we are making the fixture, league fixture, this is a three method. First is a cyclic method, second is a staircase method, and third is the tabular method. So today we discuss about the how to prepare the cyclic method fixture. Cyclic method. When we draw the league fixture, cyclic method, using the cyclic method, then cyclic method also divide in two parts. First is a even team, a second is a odd team. Even teams, those divide with the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. Or odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The first of all, let me see beta when it will be in question, write the number of the 3 and number of the 4. It will be depend of the we use this formula. The when team is even, then few point is keep in mind. When team is even number, then one team, suppose we draw the one box, clear, in right hand side the one number is fixed, 1, 2, here 3, and here 4. Suppose 4 team is there, I will write the U shape, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clear? Then we circle the number 1 because number 1 team fix on the top of the right hand side. Right hand side top, we have fixed this number. Clear? The team is even number than one number team fix the every round. Team are rotated in the clockwise direction. The clockwise direction, the one is a fix. One is a fix, then rotation is there, the clockwise direction. This three team will be rotate with the clockwise direction. It's clear beta? The rotation of this one. 4 number is come the 2 number, 2 number is come the 3 number, a 3 number of the 4 number. The one rotation. Clear? Then number of the rounds, the even team is there, then use this formula n minus 1. Then n minus 1, the number of the team is 4 minus 1, then get the result 3. But how many round is there? 3 round is there. When 4 team is there, then how many round? 4. Clear beta? The number of the matches, the n bracket n minus 1 upon 2. N is the represent the total number of the team. The total number of team is 4. The 4 bracket and the 4 minus 1 upon 2. Then when you solve this formula, the n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, it's called 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 upon 2, it's the 6 matches there. The result is 6 match. Clear? The number of the team is odd, then the few point is there, you keep in mind. First is a buy will be fixed in the one side. Buy will be fixed one side means again we draw the one box. Clear beta? Because 2 team will be played to each other, then 3 team is there, they require the one more team. There is a given to buy, they use the buy. The buy again we make the circle. B is a symbol of the buy. Clear? Buy is a fix on the top on the right hand side. Clear? After then write the 1, here 2, and here 3 in front of the buy. The 3 is get the buy, 3 versus buy. And the one team is get the buy and 2 versus 1 match. Clear beta? Or same, rotation is the clockwise direction. One number buy will be fixed, and rotate this team is like this. Clear? 3 number is gone in the next round. 3 number is gone to 1 number, 1 number is gone to 2 number, and 2 is gone to 3 number. Clear beta? The one rotation is clockwise rotation is there one place. Clear? The number of the round is n. When team is a even odd number, then number of the round is n. Means the n is a represent total number of the round. Clear? The team, suppose team is a 3 odd number, then round is also 3. Clear? Because n is a represent the total number of the round. It's clear beta? Then number of the matches 3 bracket 3 minus 1 upon 2. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 2 ja 6 upon 2. Total it's the 3 matches there in that picture. Clear beta? Understood beta? Next, we give the one example or the even number and the odd number. First team is a this 6 number is a 6 team is there, that you make the picture. Then 6 team is there, then it's the even number. They use the even formula. The number of the round is n minus 1. Then n minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 it's called 5. How many round is there? 5 round. Number of the matches means 6 bracket 6 minus 1 upon 2 bracket close upon 2. Clear? Then 6 minus 1 means it's called 5. 6 fifths are 30. 30 upon 2. Then 2 15 30. Clear beta? You get the result 15 match. Clear? Then 5 round is there. The first, this is the first round. 1 is showing the first round. Clear? This is the first round. This is the second round. R is the indication of the round. Clear beta? Third round. This is the fourth round. Or this is the fifth round. Clear beta? There should be every round it will be fix the number. One team fix the one number in the top and right side. Clear beta? Everywhere. Clear? Fix means there will be not this one, and rotation will be clockwise direction. Clear? Like this rotation. Understood everyone beta? Clear? See there, the 6 number is top side, again 5 number is come upside, 4 number is come upside, 3 number come 2 number 1. Clear? Understood beta? One place, each and everyone change the one place, one number is the fix. The see here the team is the odd number, 5 is the odd number, then round is also n. Round number of the round is n. N means number of the team is the total number of the round. Number of the team is 5, then 5 round is there. Because this is team is odd, the match is same. We calculate 5 minus 5 bracket 5 minus 1 upon 2. 5 minus 1 4. 5 minus 1 it's called 4. 4 fifths ja 20. 20 upon 2. 2 tens are 20. Result 10 match is there. How many match? 10 match. How many round is there? 5 round. This is the first round, second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. By will be fixed the every round. By is the fix of the every round. After then rotation with the clockwise direction. It's clear beta? See the rotation. Understood beta? 1 is the 2, 1, 2. Usually we are making the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 rotation. 4 the next round. 4 will be up and 5 will be come down the nearest of the 5. Clear? 5 number is here, then it will become the 5 number 1. One place will be changed. 1 and 4 will go up. Clear beta? Same here. 3 is the up, 4 is the down. Clear? 5 is the coming the 1 number place. Clear beta? 2 number place is the 1 number 2. Same similar. Clear beta? Same rotation is there. Understood everyone? Same rotation is there, clockwise direction rotation. Clear? Same all round. Understood beta? Again will coming the 1 number, it will be completely. Then here also we keep try to make the clearly of the how to draw the, because both is the we are the compare both cyclic method, even number and odd team number, both we are the compare what is the similar up there. Clear? The procedure of the fixture in the leagues, first is we discuss about the cyclic method. Clear? Cyclic method, cyclic even number teams and the odd number teams. The even number teams, then n-1, it is a round. Clear beta? राउंड के लिए क्या करेंगे, n-1 करेंगे. क्लियर? एंड ऑड नंबर टीम है तो रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर n इज रिप्रेजेंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द टीम. द नंबर ऑफ द मैचेस, तो वी आर यूज दिस फार्मूला एंड बोथ इज अ सिमिलर. even number also is an odd number also there. Clear? Then here the team is the even, then one number is a fix in on the top side, right hand side. Clear? Number 1 is a fix on top of the right hand side. Clear? Like this. Clear beta? Then here by will be fixed the top side. See there is a by will be fixed on the top side. Clear? We give the example of you. Clear? Here the 1 is a fix, here the by will be fixed the one side. Clear? The team are rotation the clockwise. Here also even also, then odd also there, clockwise direction rotations there. Clear? The few books is the right there, anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction, the both is the correct. In the board exam, clockwise direction rotation is there. Clear? And then few books is also right the anti-clockwise direction, so don't worry. There is the rotation only one there in clockwise and anti-clockwise, both is the correct. Clear? Understood beta? Both is the correct. Evergreen public school, evergreen books is given to the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, there no problem is there, but according to rule is the clockwise direction rotation is there. Clear? Then we give the one example. Question number 1. Number of the team is 4. You make the fixture, league fixture. Clear? Then suppose 4 team is there, they use the formula n-1. n-1 is the 4 minus 1. How many round is there? 3 round. First, second, third. Clear beta? After number of the match, we use the formula 4 minus 1. It total number of the matches there 6 match. Use the formula for solve this formula, we get the result of the 6. Clear? Same, one number will be fixed here, 1 2 3 U shape. You will make the clockwise direction 1 2 3 4. Clear? One number is fixed every 3 rounds. Rotation is the 3 there, 1 2 3 4. After then 3 will be rotate the coming the next round, next this 3 will become the 4 number place, and 4 number will come the 2 number place, and 2 number will come the 3 number place. One rotation here also there. Clear? Same rotation. Understood? Or last one rotation, third round is same rotation is there. Same follow the clockwise rotation, one round. Clear? Then here also there same rotation is there. Only one by will be fixed. Clear? And difference is the n. Number 2, the total number of the team is 3. Clear? Number of the round is n. N means total number of the team is represent the total number of the round for the odd number. Clear? Again same formula is there, using this formula. So how many matches there? 3 matches there. The 3 round, 3 matches there. By will be not counted there. By 3 2 and 1, each and everyone get the by also there. And rotation, the arrow will be indicate of the rotation. Yes, shift the one place. The 3 will be gone. The next round is the 2 number play, 1 number place, and 1 number will become the 2 number place, and 1 number become the 3 number place. Clear? Same rotation here also there. 2 number will become the 3 number place. Clear? Previous one. Then here 2 number will come the 1 number place, and 3 number will come the 1 number place. Clear beta? The same we are, you follow the same rotation. Understood beta? Clear? Any doubt is there, then you inform to me. No problem is there. We solve in the 5 o'clock. Everything, every doubt will be solved to you. Don't worry. Clear? Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.